What's up guys, it's Microsoft Engineer Abram Khalid, and in today's we'll make a student data using C language. So let's check it out. Hashtag include stdio.h. Now integer main o in bracket curly braces. Now writing character name and equals to, like suppose I write John, okay, and semicolon. Now integer age equals to 15. Now integer class standard equals to 10. Now character red equals to a and semicolon. Now the last integer percentage equals to 100 and semicolon. Now to write printf function student name of writing percentage s for the string backslash n comma name. The last step, the most important step, semicolon. I will just copy this whole code and write it 5 times. Now I will edit some of this age and the class standard. Now this would be grade. The last one would be percentage. So let's edit this thing. Student age, student student grade, student percentage. Now the main step would be percentage D. This could be percentage D2. This could be percentage C. The last one would be percentage D. Now, but I want to make it realistic so that I cannot take any error. So I think I'm done. Yeah. Now press Ctrl S so that I can save my code, and then function key press F11 so I can run and debug the code. So yeah, you can see student name is John, student age is 15, student class is 10, student grade is A, student percentage is 100. But I don't think it's like real. It is not realistic. Where's the percentage sign? So if you want to add the percentage sign, you can add the percentage 2 times. And if you want to add plus after the A, you can add like plus after the C, percentage C. Okay, corrected. Now Control S and function plus F11. So yeah, now you can see it is looking more realistic. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, then do subscribe my channel, Microsoft Engineer William College. See you later.